In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Google's Nano Banana to create stunning images. And the best part, I'll show you how to use it for free. There are three ways to access Google Nano Banana. The first way is to use Google Gemini app. The second way is to use Google AI Studio and click on try. And the third way is to use LM Marina. And for this video, we are going to use LM Marina to access Google Banana. Okay, the first way you can use Google Banana is to change outfit. So you click just on the plus icon and import your image. After that, you need to change the outfit whatever you want. You can change the color, the size, everything. You can change the outfit to whatever you want. I would write this, change the outfit into a pink modern dress, and I will click on the arrow send. You can see that arrow there, the black one, and it will take some seconds to generate the image with the pink modern dress I asked for. Okay, this takes around 11 seconds if I'm not wrong. So Google Nano Banana is very fast to generate images for you. You can see it is just 10 seconds and our image is created, and you can see it remains consistent except the dress. Okay, now let's import the image and just try another load, which is to change the background of your image. Google Nano Banana can change the background of your image, and like this, change the background into a modern kitchen and click on send, and it will take some seconds to generate the image for you. And I said it will just change what you said, the rest will remain the same. You can see everything is the same, the color, the hair, the face, but the background is a modern kitchen. Okay, that is our second rule. I'm going to give you 10 plus rules, and their address almost 50. Anything you think in your mind, Google and Banana can do it for you. Now let's bring the image of the girl wearing pink dress and change the background to a modern bedroom. This rule is also change the background, okay, into a modern bedroom. Just click on that and give it some seconds, and it will change it into a modern bedroom. You can see now it is a bedroom and the photo is same as it was, only the background was changed. Okay, now let's try another role. I have an image of a baby and I have an image of a woman, and I want to make this woman to hold this girl or this baby with her arms or her hands, and I will like this. After importing the two images, I will like this. Make the lady hold the child with her hands or arms and click on send. You can see it just takes some seconds to generate. It's around 10 seconds maximum, as you can see, and the image is stunning. I don't know what I would say. You can see just looks realistic, everything is fine. Okay, you can see what this app is doing, and I like Nano Banana because it does not change how your photo look like. You can see now I have an image here over a house, and I want to make an effect. So the next role is to generate effects, or VFX, effect generation, and I would like to make this image to house to be on fire. And you can see now it gave me the house on fire. You can just imagine the video you can create using these two photos. It will just turn at once and it will be having fire exploding, and you can see everything remains the same except the fire. Okay, now let's head to another role, and then the next role is to change the color of the outfit. And alright, turn this suit into a black suit or into a white. It is a black suit and I want it to be a white suit. You can see it is just generated a white suit for us, and it is beautiful, not beautiful. He is handsome. Everything remains the same. Let's try another role, which is angle variation or camera variation. You can just change the camera angle to look as if it was taken from the back. Okay, change the camera angle from the back and click on send, and you shall see what Google Nano Banana will give us. Okay, and as you can see, it will give us an image of that man from the back, and you can see it is the same. The background, the motorcycle, the color of the dressing, everything is the same, and I like this. Okay, let's now import this and write. If you have watched these videos so far, remember to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that YouTube can push this video to more audience or to more people, because this is going to help you. Okay, and you can see I just give it some load, and I want this image to appear as a drawing, a sketch. You can see now it is a sketch. Okay, now the next load you can say is just camera variation, and I want it to take a drone view, to look as if it was taken from up, as if it's a drone taking this photo. And you shall see what Google Nano Banana will give us. Okay, you can see it is now there, and you can see the image looks exactly the same as to what we gave it, and you can see just the angle variation that is changed. Okay, that is what Google Nano Banana can do for you. Now you want to create, you can also create ad, you can advertise using it. You can see I have an image of a woman and the product I want to advertise. Now what I need to do, I need to make her hold this product, or make this product appear on her dress. So I'll just say make the woman hold the skincare product. I'll just write that, and I'll click on send. Click on send and give it some seconds, and it will generate the image of the woman holding. You need to make sure you write what you want, because if you write something else, it will generate you something else. And you can see the skincare product appeared on a t-shirt of the lady. So this is not what I want, but it's still fine. You can still advertise it in this way. Let's repeat it. Let's import this and import this, and later import also the product, and click on done and like this. Make the lady to hold the skincare product on the oil with her hands. If you say that, it will make sense a bit, with her hands or her arms, because I just said hold, so it can just attach it where it want. But for this I will just write make the lady hold the oil or the skincare product with her hands or arms. Okay, remember to give this video a like, guys. Give this video a like. I have given you 1 minute to give it a like. Okay, and you can see it is generating the image. It takes some few seconds, as it says around 10-11 there, and you can see now she is holding the skincare product with her 2 hands, and this is what you can use to advertise. The next role is to restore black and white images into color. As you can see our images white and black, and just turn this image into a colored photo and give it some second, and you can see our image is now colored and it was black and white. This is another awesome doll, and it gives you insane results. Okay, you can see it's very stunning. Okay, now our tool we are going to try this load to change the facial expression. Let's try with this photo, and I want them to be stunned, but you can see they are too happy. You shall see what it will give us. Okay, just like this, make or give me a stunned facial expression, and click on send. And click on send, but I think this I didn't like what I want, but it will be at least be fine. Let's see. They just added some tears on their eyes, so this is not what I want. Let's try with another photo and see whether Nano Banana will give us a better result. Let's use our different photo. Click on the plus icon, this plus icon here, and select the photo of that female holding the oil, and like this, make her laugh. Just a simple prompt, and click on send and give it some seconds, and we shall see what it shall give us. And you can see it gave us some good results. Yeah, she is laughing. This is insane result. Okay, you can see what Nano Banana can do for you. It can do also many other things I did not include in this video. That is for today. Let's meet in the next one. Bye bye. I love you all.